The Road to 80%, a retirement education series from Mutual of America. You're on your way. You contribute to your employer-sponsored retirement plan and hit the road to replacing 80% of your pre-retirement income. Smart move. It's a long journey with plenty of twists and turns and maybe the occasional detour. But through it all, stay the course. As you get closer to your destination, it's a good idea to keep your eyes open and be on the lookout for some important milestones along the way. For example, when you hit your 50s, you can start making catch-up contributions to your retirement plan, which can help make up for lost time. And in your 60s, you can start to receive Social Security retirement benefits as early as 62, but the longer you wait, the more your payment will be. And depending on when you were born, sometime between hitting age 65 to 67, you can start to receive full Social Security retirement benefits. No matter if you're getting close or if there's still miles of road ahead of you, knowing what to look out for can help make the journey on the road to 80% as smooth as possible.